My name is Priscilla Presley and I am back again today with another exciting video. Today guys, I am going to be showing you how you can make your own sanitizer at home. Due to this coronavirus that is going all over the place, it suddenly is in Florida and it kind of scares me a lot. And I'm wondering, what can I do possibly? And it got to my thinking that I should learn how to make my own sanitizer, because if you go to the store to buy your own sanitizer, everything is being sold out and we are desperately in need of a hand sanitizer now. So I decided to come here and show you guys how you can make your own sanitizer at home in the comfort of your own home. Okay guys, and this is just gonna be with the ingredients that you already have at home. It's not like you're gonna be going around looking for all kinds of stuff. You're going to be making your own hand sanitizer with the ingredient that maybe you may even already have in your own home. So guys, I will urge you guys to take care of yourself. This coronavirus is very serious. It's also here in Florida and it gives a scare to me like crazy, because I've been hearing how many people have died in Japan, in China, and I am not joking with this. Maybe some people take it as a joke, but I am not joking with this, because anything that has to do with that, it shouldn't be something to joke about, guys. So you should take it seriously with your own family at home. Make sure you wash your hands, and please do not touch your face, your nose, or your mouth with your hands. Make sure you sanitize your hands, and also make sure wash your hands properly with any antiseptic or antibacterial soap at home. And make sure you dry your hands and also use a hand sanitizer. These are the things that will prevent you from contacting this viral disease, guys. You need to save yourself and also save your own family. Okay, guys? So I am going to be taking you now and I'm going to be showing you how to make your own sanitizer. And also another alternative I have here also, I have Dettol. This is also a very good antiseptic soap that you could use. Also, you could use it to wash your hands with it, and also use it to shower when you just come from outside. Okay guys, make sure you use it. Put a teaspoon of this in your water and shower with it. It will help, you know, kill all the bacteria that are on your skin. And also you could use it to wash your clothes, and also make sure you wash your clothes in hot water. Okay guys, and make sure you dry them in a high heat also, guys. Save yourself. This is not a joke. Okay guys, anyway, so I am going to be taking you guys now and I'll be showing you how you can make your own sanitizer in the comfort of your own home. Guys, I thank you guys so much for tuning in today to watch my video, and also please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my video with your friends and family so they can all benefit from this experience. Share any information you hear about this. I heard some people were saying you need to drink a lot of water. Also, you need to boil some garlic and also some ginger, drink it, and that will help you also, because you need to boost your immune system, because if your immune system is boosted, it's not going to affect you, it's not going to weaken your immune system to affect you with the virus. So if there's anything you could do to keep your immune system up, you could do it. You could also go ahead and get like zinc. I have zinc here. You could also drink some vitamin. I've been drinking my vitamin C. Here I have vitamin C 5000 mg that I've been drinking, but that is way high. If you cannot drink that higher of a vitamin C, you could drink like a lower dose, like 1000 mg of a vitamin C. That will help boost your immune system. And also the zinc also is good. And what else, guys? I'm going to think about a whole lot of stuff. Whatever I remember, I'm going to share it with you guys. But guys, you need to take this seriously. This is not a joke. People are making fun of it, but it's not funny, okay? Because people are actually dying from this disease. So it's not a joke. Take it seriously. Use precaution. Wash your hands constantly when you go to the bathroom, when you touch doors, because it's a viral disease, okay? It's in the air. It's airborne. Okay, guys, if you see someone who is sick, try to stay away from the person. And also, do not give hugs, do not shake hands with nobody. Try to prevent this and make sure you're safe. You stay safe with your own family at home, guys. Okay, and also, like I said, wash your hands regularly when you go to the bathroom, when you're outside and you come into your house. Make sure you wash your hands and also use hand sanitizer before you wear gloves. Wash your hands, dry your hands, sanitizer, and then wear your gloves. When you take off your gloves, make sure you also wash your hands and also use hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer should be your next best friend now, guys. Have hand sanitizer in your hands. Like, I take some with me in my purse. I have some in my pocket because I do not want to take any chances, guys. This is your life we're talking about. Okay, excuse me, guys. It's not a joke. So make sure you wash your hands for at least 30 seconds. Okay, that means you could sing happy birthday twice. That will give you 30 seconds. Okay, guys, and like I said, stay away from people. Don't shake hands. Don't give hugs. Okay, guys, take care of yourself and your family and be blessed. We're gonna fight through this, guys. If you keep to these precautions I'm giving you guys, you will be safe. You have nothing to worry about. And like I said, you need to keep your immune system. You need to boost your immune system. So make sure you take vitamin C. Like, I'm taking vitamin C every day. I'm taking zinc every day. That will help to boost your immune system. And also hydration. You need to drink water. Okay, guys, drink a lot of water and you'll be safe from this. I pray for you guys. Pray and also take precaution. Pray and take precaution. Take care of yourself. You need each other now and forever, guys. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be taking you guys now and I'm gonna be showing you what I'm gonna be doing for this DIY. I already have my stuff that I'm gonna be using lined up here. I am gonna be using the isopropyl alcohol here. I have that here. I'm also gonna be using some aloe vera gel here, and I'm also gonna be using some glycerin here, and I also have some tea tree here. I'm going to be using some quantity of my peppermint tea, peppermint essential oil here. I also have some vitamin E here, guys. So this is all optional. So you don't have to use all this if you don't want to or if you don't have them. Okay. So, but you necessarily need the alcohol and the aloe vera. These are the most major things that you need to do this DIY. If you don't have this, you don't have nothing. So make sure you have alcohol at least 60%. This is 91% alcohol, but you need at least 60% to do your hand sanitizer, guys. So, and also you will need a bottle to put them in here. I have little bottles here. Like I said, I'm putting in them in small bottles so I could, carry them. They're already clean. Everything is already clean, guys. So, take precaution and be safe with your family. Like I said, we don't want any bad news. I want everybody to be safe in this time that we are right now, guys. So I'm going to take you guys now and I'm going to be starting the process of making this DIY, and I'm going to pause the video now and I'll bring you close so you can see what I'm doing here, guys. So thank you guys so much. I'm also going to be using my gloves. My hands are clean. I am going to go ahead now and wear my gloves, and like I always do when I wear my gloves, I'll still use a hand sanitizer to like put my gloves in. And another thing I would advise you guys to do not leave your gloves open. Always wrap them up in a plastic bag, because like I said, this corona disease is airborne. Okay, so you don't want anything to contaminate your gloves, so that way you'll be infecting yourself again and making some product with it. So make sure you wrap your gloves in a plastic bag. It's covered. Do not leave it open like it is right now, guys. Make sure everything is covered, so that way you know that it's protected from the pollution from the air, guys. Thank you guys so much, and I am going to pause and I'll bring you guys back when I'm ready to show you what I'm doing right now. Thank you guys. My video stopped filming. I didn't know that it stopped filming, and I already was getting into doing the video, but then I realized it did not film. So but what I did was I measure up 2/3 of my isopropyl alcohol in here, and I also measure out 1/3 cup of my aloe vera gel into my mix, I also have like 5 drops of my vitamin E. I use 10 drops of my tea tree oil in it. I also use 5 drops of my essential oil into my alcohol hand sanitizer, guys. I don't want to have to go ahead and do it again because then I will be wasting my product. Stuff are so expensive, guys. Please pardon me. But like I said, if you have any question, if there's something you don't understand, you could leave your question on my comment section, or you could follow me on Facebook if you have any private question, or you could follow me on Instagram and ask me anything you want to ask me, guys. And thank you guys so much. This is my hand sanitizer here. Just make sure you shake it because it might settle when I put it down. It might settle, so make sure before you use it, you just shake it. I have it in these little bottles. Like I said, I'm going to be putting them in a dark place because it has essential oils in them. So if you expose them to the light, it's not going to be intact because of the essential oils. So if you want your hand sanitizer to be in a proper, range that you make it, always make sure you put it in a darker bottle because of the essential oils. You want them to be intact, so do that. But I have them in a transparent bottle right now. I don't have any dark bottles, so I'm gonna be hiding them under the shelf somewhere because I don't want them to run out. But when I'm going out, I'm gonna just put it in my purse. My purse has a whole lot of junk. I'm just gonna make sure I put it in a cool, dark place so it stays intact, guys. So I thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to give my video a thumbs up and also comment and like my video, guys. I thank you guys so much for your support, and I thank you for everything you have been doing for me, and I hope you guys are safe. Stay safe with your family. Life is very important. I know there's always sometimes up and down in life, but of all things, life is very, very sweet. I thank you guys so much for everything you've been doing for me. I thank you guys. Thank you so much. This is my hand sanitizer here. I got them. It's very easy. Takes nothing to make them. Once you have all this stuff at home, it's very, very easy to make it. Like I said, the alternative, if you can't get access to hand sanitizer, you could use these. Also, this is Dettol liquid. As I did say, it was a soap, but it's not soap, guys. It's a liquid. It's antiseptic, or if you cannot come across, if you don't have Dettol and you don't have your hand sanitizer, you could also make sure you use any use wipes with antibacterial or antimicrobial wipes. You could get those and put them in your purse, and make sure you wipe your hands, wipe your kids' hands. Stay safe. Don't touch your eyes, don't touch your nose, don't touch your mouth when you are out there. And like I said, with the money, don't touch notes. Those notes, the bills, don't touch them. It has them on it. Beware about that. Be careful. Stay safe. I love you guys. I thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I love you, and I thank you guys so much. Please like and share my video. I love you guys. Bye bye. Love you.